Good morning, students of Standard 4. Dear student, open your book, page number 31, chapter 12. Chapter 12. The title is Possessive Nouns. We use an apostrophe and the letter S for showing the possessive form of nouns. Let us learn the basic of possessive forms. Now, my dear students, I will start this lesson with a new word which is quite new but very modernized and up to date. Let us learn a story. Let us learn a short story to know possessive noun. Do you understand? Let us learn a short story to know possessive nouns. ଆସ possessive noun ପଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ କାହାଣୀକି ଯିବା. The story is once Ram's father had a dog. The dog's hair was very ugly to look at. There was a girls' school a little away from a boys' school. Ram's sister used to go to girls' school, whereas Ram used to go to boys' school, accompanied with their old dog Tommy. Tommy always followed Ram as well as his sister's boy. And the story continues so far. But my dear students, just for you I tell you, ପିଲାମାନେ କଥାଟା ହେଇଛି once Ram's father had a dog. ଏକଦା ରାମର ବାପାଙ୍କର Ram's father had a dog, ଗୋଟେ କୁକୁର ଥିଲା. The dog's hair was very ugly to look at. There was a girl's school a little away from a boys' school. Ram's sister used to go to girls' school, whereas Ram used to go to boys' school, accompanied with her older Tommy. Tommy always followed Ram as well as his sister's boy. So you see, the underlying words are called possessive nouns. Do you understand?
Yes.
It is you use it, but you do not know it. अर्थात पिलामाने तमे समस्ते को व्यवहार करूछ किंतु जानि पारु ना जे एटा को आमे possessive noun कह. So what is possessive noun? A possessive noun is stated with an apostrophe and a simple s to a noun. अर्थात गोटे नाउन ने गोटे apostrophe चिन्ह आउ गोटे s लिखि देला परे that noun converted into possessive noun. You see, Ramo is a proper noun. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ramo is a proper noun. But if we say Ramo apostrophe s, Rams, it is a possessive noun in place of proper noun. Proper noun परिवर्ते यदि हमें सही राम रे apostrophe चिन्ह दे s लिखि दबा तेबे तक हमें possessive noun कहबा. Come to this similarly, dog's hair. Dog is a common noun. Dog is a common noun. But if we use an apostrophe and s, then that common noun converted into possessive noun. Dog's hair was very ugly. There was a girls' high school. You see another thing here. Girls. So the word girls, Girls. It is a plural noun. It is a plural common noun. So when we convert it into possessive noun, possessive plural noun, we just add an apostrophe. So it means just we use an apostrophe. It means girls. Garls. apostrophe s. This is called girls. Similarly, boys. So these are the plural noun. Boys, girls. So when a plural noun converted into possessive noun, we just use an apostrophe mark, not apostrophe s. Simple an apostrophe mark. पिलाମାନେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ନାଉନକୁ ଆମେ ପୋସେସିଭ ନାଉନକୁ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ସେ ନାଉନ ପରେ ଆପୋଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଫି ଚିହ୍ନ ଦେଇ ଆମେ ଏସ୍ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ପୋସେସିଭ ନାଉନ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ ନାଉନ ହେଇଥିବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଣ୍ଡିଂ ୱିଥ୍ ଏସ୍, ସେ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ ନାଉନ ଏସ୍ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସରୁଥିବ, ଦେନ୍ ଟୁ କନଭର୍ଟ ଇଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ପୋସେସିଭ ନାଉନ we just simply put an apostrophe mark, not apostrophe s, but only apostrophe marks. Now we go to some examples in your book. Open your book, page number 41. Rule 1. Add an apostrophe on the letter S to a singular noun. I have already told you. Add an apostrophe and S to a singular noun. Just use Ram. Ramon, singular, Rams. Dog, singular, dogs. Similarly, you see here, sister, singular, S. So, after a singular noun, if we put an apostrophe mark and S, it became a possessive noun. Come to the 2. Add either the apostrophe or an apostrophe and S to the name ending in S. Adding the apostrophe and S is more common. You see what is stated here? It is stated that if a name ends with S, if a name ends with S, to convert it into possessive noun, we just use an apostrophe mark, then S. Just you look, Charles, Charles. Here the name ends with S. So to convert into possessive noun, we just put an apostrophe mark, then S. Similarly, you go another examples. Similarly, we go James. James. We may just use an apostrophe mark, or we may use James apostrophe S. So, my dear students, when a name ending with S, we may use an apostrophe mark after S to convert it into possessive noun. अर्थात यदि कौन सी नामवाचक विशेष्य एस द्वारा शुरू था, चार्ल्स, जेम्स, जोसेफ एस द्वारा शुरू थाए, ताकू पोसेसिव प्रोनाउन बा पोसेसिव नाउन को कन्वर्ट करिया पई हेले सही एस पर अपोस्ट्रोफी चिन्ह दे दे पार किंबा अपोस्ट्रोफी मार्क एंड एस, जस्ट लाइक जेम्स, Charles, you may use anything else. Now, go to another example. Look at open your book, page number 42. Yes. To make hyphen nouns possessive, add an apostrophe and S. For example, if there is a hyphen noun is given, to make it possessive, we just add an apostrophe and S. Just to look at the blackboard, what is hyphen noun? If a hyphen noun is given and if we have to make it possessive, what shall we do? Just hyphen noun. Father-in-law is a hyphen noun. Brother-in-law. Hyphen noun. If a hyphen noun is given, to make it possessive noun, we just use an apostrophe mark, then S, apostrophe mark, then S. My dear student, do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you. Now we go to another. When two nouns are joined and the possession is the same, noun gets the apostrophe and s. For example, Rabi and Kavita's new cars. So Rabi and Kavita, then apostrophe mark, then s. The husband and wife's clinic. The husband and the wife, then apostrophe mark, then s, clinic. So you know this is called compound noun. In case of compound noun, in order to make it possessive noun, just we use apostrophe mark and s after the last. For example, Rama is a compound noun. If we change into possessive noun, just we use an apostrophe mark, then s. Similarly, plural possessive noun. Listen. So, ready? If plural noun does not end in s, then in order to change it into possessive noun, what we have to do? Add an apostrophe and s to make it possessive noun. अर्थात यदि गोटे प्लूराल नाउन एस द्वारा सरू नहीं ताकू पोसेसिव नाउन करिया पे हेले से प्लूराल नाउन परे अपोस्ट्रोफी चिन्ह दबा तापरे एस लिखियो. जस्ट यू सी मैन अपोस्ट्रोफी एस, मैन स्वेयर, woman, woman's club, youth's club. So these are plural noun, but this plural noun does not end with the s. So in order to convert it into possessive noun, we just use an apostrophe mark, then s. Over?
Yes.
Now if you go, if it ends with s, then add only apostrophe marks after it. But say plural noun, if it ends with s, यदि s द्वारा सरुची ताको possessive noun करिया पहले only apostrophe mark is used after that s. Say s परे apostrophe mark दे जाए. जेमती boys school, girls high school, just boys plural, girls plural, and ends with s. So we, in order to convert into possessive noun, we just use an apostrophe marks. This is one. This is the simple rule to convert plural nouns into possessive nouns. If it is plural, having s at its ends, just use only apostrophe mark. If it is plural and having no s at the end, just you use what? Apostrophe mark, then s. अर्थात यदि प्लूराल नाउन एस द्वारा सरुची ताले ताको पोसेसिव नाउन करिया पहले तापरे केवल अपोस्ट्रोफी मार्क दबा. यदि प्लूराल नाउन एस द्वारा सरू नहीं ताको पोसेसिव नाउन करिया पहले अपोस्ट्रोफी मार्क and s is added. Thank you students. Then you go to your practice work A, then you go B, C, D. And after that you will submit your paper to a respective grammar teachers. Thank you students. So far I will see you again. Thank you.